welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am rocking the yellow and I am loving it. This look will be coming up on my channel sometime within the next week. If you give me a second, I will tell you the exact date that it is coming up because it is a collab. Actually, it's tomorrow. It is tomorrow, me and my dates. This will be coming up tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, it was a collab between Nona, myself, and Amanda. And so you will get to see me doing this eye look. And I know I don't do that very often on here. I'm going to try to do it some more when I can find the time. But if you want to see me doing this eye look with the ColourPop Honey, tune in tomorrow afternoon and you will see it. All right, let's get on to this video. And this is the Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a collab that I'm doing with my bestie Amanda. It is all about Supernatural and the bazillion episodes that they have aired. And I'm so sad. I'm so sad that Supernatural is coming to an end. But I'm also sad that Arrow is coming to an end. Oh my guys, they're leaving me. But anyway, let's get on to this project. So we are, like I said, we are doing a product for every episode that will ever air of Supernatural, and we are currently in the tail end of season 2, both of us, and we're not exactly at the same spot, but that's okay. That is okay. This is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and we're doing 6 products at a time. As we finish one, we will roll a new one in for the next episode in line. And I have an empty. I'm so excited. I am so very excited. This is for the episode of Heart, and I took it literal with the title. And I finished this Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons eyeshadow in Sprinkles. I love this eyeshadow so much, and I'm sad that it's gone. This is one that I could use as an eyeshadow. I could use it as a lip topper. Could use it as a highlighter. It was so versatile, and I really enjoyed it. And now it's gone, and I'll probably never own it again. But that's okay, because I have way too much makeup. It's okay. I'm sure I can find a dupe of it somewhere. So let's get into the other 5 products that are still in, 2 of which I haven't touched, and those are towards the end, so we'll get into those in a second. For No Exit, that is the episode where they find ectoplasm, which is a gelatinous goo, and I put this gelatinous goo, also known as hair gel, in, and this is the PanteneClassic Total Control Gel. It is almost done. It is almost done. I was at this line last time, now I am down here. I fully expect this to be done by the next update. I fully expect it to be done. If it isn't, I'm going to cry. It takes a while to use because I actually make like a spray gel out of it because I don't want crunchy hair. So yeah, so I make my own little spray gel out of it, and when it's done, it's done. All right, the next one is for the Croatoan, and that's when Sam has a vision of Dean killing a man with a scar on his head. And I put in this Revitagen stretch mark and skin rejuvenating cream that works on stretch marks and scars and blemishes and that kind of stuff on your skin, like on your body, not on your face. And I made really good progress this past month. I was up here and now I am down here, and I fully expect this one to be done by the next update as well, which is good because I want to bring some new stuff in. All right, the next one I really haven't used, and it's because I suck. Really, it's because I suck. This is for Born Under a Bad Sign, and that in that episode Sam has a blackout, so I went literal with the blackout and I chose this black beauty blender soap. I really haven't used it. I've got a pile of beauty blenders that need to get cleaned, and so hopefully by the next update, this is also good progress because I'm going to run out of my beauty sponges if I don't clean them. So, and hopefully do that because can't keep using a dirty sponge. I think I have like 5 sponges that are still clean. So as soon as those are dirty, I'll probably do them all at once, which kind of sucks, but this is me. All right, moving on to Roadkill, in which a highway ghost, he seeks revenge, and I took my inspiration from the ghost. Ghosts tend to be like kind of white and translucent, so I went for a white product or packaging that is white. And this is the Neutralyze toner pads for acne prone skin. And let's see, as of the last update, it was 128 grams. It is currently at 106. I started at 197, so I'm definitely making good progress. And you can see they're getting down there. I use them quite frequently. And there is 100 pads in here, I think. I don't use them daily, but I do use them frequently. And yeah, I'm enjoying them. All right, and the very last one, I haven't touched at all. For Hollywood Babylon. Obviously, Hollywood is where all the stars and celebrities and stuff are. So I chose the Starlooks Gem Pencil, if I could speak, in Ultra Olive. It is so pretty, and I can't wait to use it. But I'm working on the Amethyst one that is just like this. And I need to have that done by the end of the year. So I'm prioritizing that one, and this one is on the back burner. So we will see when I actually touch that one. Who knows? So that is the 5 that are rolling over for the next month. And I need to put a new one in. And the next one up is Folsom Prison Blues. And I am going to go with the orange prison uniforms that they have to wear. So I will be adding in this Depotted Shadow from the Profusion Eyes palette. And this one is in the color Terracotta. As you can see, I have pan in it. So my goal is going to be to finish it. Yes, I actually really like this color. I have a thing for oranges and clearly for yellows. So that is my kind of short and sweet update. Definitely check out Amanda. You know where she's going to be, right down there in the description box. And I'm going to have her gorgeous face at the end. Just click right in the middle and it'll take you to her channel. She's probably a little bit more normal than me. No, not really. But go check her out. Show her some love. I mean, it's nothing but love. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.